Our Earth, a planet that stands out in the vastness of space, a blue oasis in the vast cosmic desert, a beacon of life amidst the darkness, a tiny haven teeming with life, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. But don't let its beauty fool you. Beneath its serene surface lies a delicate balance. Our planet is fragile, vulnerable to the whims of the cosmos and the forces of nature. Space is an unforgiving place, a realm of extremes where survival is a constant challenge. Asteroids like cosmic bullets have scarred our planet throughout history, leaving marks that tell tales of ancient cataclysms. These impacts remind us of the power lurking within the universe, a power that can change the course of life in an instant. The dinosaurs, once rulers of this planet, were wiped out by a single, devastating impact, a stark reminder of our own vulnerability. A reminder that even the mightiest can fall victim to cosmic events, that no life form is immune to the forces of the universe. We, the current caretakers of this planet, must never forget this lesson. We must remain vigilant, always aware of the potential threats from above. The universe is a beautiful but dangerous place. It is filled with wonders that inspire awe, but also with dangers that demand respect. As we gaze upon our blue oasis, let us cherish its beauty and strive to protect it, for it is our only home in the vast, unyielding cosmos. Imagine a rogue planet, a cosmic bully, hurtling through the vast emptiness of space. Its trajectory, a collision course with our own blue planet. As it draws nearer, its gravitational pull begins to tug at Earth's very core. The effects are immediate and terrifying. Earthquakes, more powerful than any recorded in human history, ripple across continents. Once dormant volcanoes awaken with a vengeance, spewing molten lava and ash into the atmosphere. The oceans, no longer calm and serene, roar with towering tsunamis, swallowing entire coastlines. Cities crumble, their once proud structures reduced to rubble. Panic grips humanity as the realization dawns. This is not a disaster movie, but our terrifying reality. The sky, once a familiar blue, transforms into a canvas of fear. The rogue planet looms large, a harbinger of doom, casting an eerie, ever-growing shadow upon the Earth. The air crackles with static electricity. Then, silence. An eerie, unnatural silence descends as if the universe itself is holding its breath. The rogue planet hangs, suspended for a heartbeat, directly above us. In this moment of stillness, the enormity of the impending disaster becomes horrifyingly clear. This is it, the end. Section 5, Inferno. The impact is sudden, instantaneous, and utterly devastating. In a fraction of a second, the collision unleashes a cataclysmic force that defies human understanding. The energy released is beyond comprehension, like a billion atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The sheer magnitude of the explosion sends shockwaves through the cosmos, a violent testament to the power of celestial forces. The Earth's crust crumples like paper, vaporizing on contact. Mountains are reduced to dust, and valleys are obliterated in an instant. The very foundation of the planet is torn asunder. Molten rock and superheated gas are ejected into space, forming a horrifying spectacle of planetary debris. The sky is filled with glowing fragments, each a remnant of a world that once was. The impact sends shockwaves rippling through the planet, shattering what little remains of its structure. These seismic waves travel at unimaginable speeds, fracturing the planet's core and sending tremors across its surface. Oceans boil away in an instant, leaving behind parched and scorched seabeds. The water, once teeming with life, evaporates into the atmosphere, creating a dense, suffocating cloud of steam. The very air becomes superheated, a deadly inferno engulfing the planet. The atmosphere ignites, turning the sky into a blazing canvas of fire and destruction. The planet, once vibrant and full of life, is now a hellish landscape of molten rock and burning gas. Section 6. From the Ashes. In the aftermath, Earth is unrecognizable. The once familiar landscapes, bustling with life and activity, have been replaced by a desolate and barren wasteland. Gone is the blue oasis, the vibrant planet teeming with life. The lush forests, the sprawling oceans, and the diverse ecosystems have all vanished, leaving behind a stark and empty shell. In its place, a molten wasteland, a scarred and lifeless testament to the universe's raw power. Volcanic activity dominates the surface, creating a hellish landscape of fire and brimstone. The debris ejected into space from the impact begins to coalesce, forming a ring of dust and rock around the newly formed molten Earth. This ring, a collection of shattered remnants, floats ominously in the void. Over eons, this ring, a cosmic graveyard of a once thriving planet, may coalesce further, potentially forming a new celestial body. The process is slow and relentless, driven by the inexorable forces of gravity and time, a chilling reminder of the catastrophic event that reshaped our corner of the universe. This new formation stands as a silent witness to the fragility of planets and the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. It serves as a stark warning of the power and unpredictability of the universe, a testament to the delicate balance that sustains life. Section 7. Cosmic Odds. The scenario we've just explored is terrifying, apocalyptic, and thankfully, highly improbable. The odds of such a collision are astronomically small. Space is vast, and planets, while large, are minuscule compared to the unimaginable emptiness between them. Our solar system, now relatively stable, went through a turbulent youth. Planetary collisions were more common then. Today, the orbits are well established. We are safe, for now. Section 8. A pale blue dot. Yet the hypothetical serves as a stark reminder of our place in the universe. We are but a pale blue dot, a fragile oasis in the vast cosmic desert. Our existence, while precious, is at the mercy of the universe's grand cosmic dance. This image should humble us. It should remind us to cherish what we have. This pale blue dot is the only home we know. Section 9. Our cosmic duty. We have a responsibility to protect our planet, not just from ourselves, but from the potential dangers lurking in the cosmos. We must continue to explore, to understand the universe and our place within it. Knowledge, after all, is our greatest defense against the unknown. The universe is full of wonders and horrors. We must face both with courage and wisdom. The future of our pale blue dot depends on it.